Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. ABC, a triangle is given with coordinates, and also BC is parallel to y-axis. AB and AC intersects the y-axis at the point P and Q respectively. So first we need to find the coordinates of A, and then a length of AB and AC, then the ratio of in which Q divides AC, and the equation of the line AC. So first coordinates of AC, so which is 4, 0. The second part is find the length of AB and AC. To find the length of AB and AC, we just need to use the distance formula. First write down the given coordinates. A is 4, 0, B is -2, 3, C is -2, -4. We know that the distance formula is x2 minus square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So to find the length of AB, we need to take the coordinates of A and B and find the length. So if you substitute x1 y1 and x2 y2 values, we'll get -2 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. So if you simplify this, we'll get square root of -6 square plus 3 square, which is 36 plus 9. So the length of AB is square root of 45, which can be simplified as 9 times of 5. 9 times of 5 is 45. So finally the length of AB is 3 root 5 units. And now find the length of AC. So we need to consider the A and C coordinates, which is -2 minus 4 whole square plus -4 minus 0 whole square root. So we'll get square root of -6 square plus -4 square, which is 36 plus 16. So the length of AC is 52, which can be simplified as 52 can be written as 4 times of 13. So length of AC is 2 square root 13 units. Now find the ratio in which Q divides AC. So write down the points or coordinates of A and C, which is 4, 0 and -2, -4. And also a point Q intersects y-axis, so which means the x-axis x coordinate will be 0, so we'll get 0, y. We'll get 0, y value. So let's use the ratio formula, the coordinates to ratio of formula. The coordinates of AC line and ratio is x coordinate equals to m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n, and y coordinate y equals to m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. Now substitute the x1 x2 and y1 y2 values here, and also xy values, where m is to n is the ratio. See, at point Q, x coordinate will be 0. So 0 equals to m into x2 value is -2 plus n into x1 value is 4 whole divided by m plus n. So no need to substitute y coordinates, so we can find the ratio here itself. So if we cross multiply, we'll get 0 equals to -2m plus 4n. so which is 2m is equals to 4n, so which can be written as m by n equals to 4 by 2, which is 2 by 1. So we can conclude that the ratio of m to n is 2 to 1, and the line AC divides Q. So the ratio in which Q divides AC line is 2 to 1. Finally, find the equation of the line AC. So to find the equation of the line AC, write down the A and C coordinates and then find the slope of the line AC. Slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That's the formula. So if you substitute the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2, we'll get minus 4 minus 0 divided by minus 2 minus 4, which is minus 4 by minus 6. So the value of m slope is 2 by 3. Now use a point slope form and find the equation. Point slope form is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 value is 0, m value is 2 by 3, x1 value is 4, so x minus 4. So y is equals to 2 by 3 into x minus 4. So if you distribute, we'll get y is equals to 2 by 3x minus 8 by 3. So this is the equation of the line. Or else we can simplify this as 3x equals to 3y equals to x minus 3y is equals to 2x minus 8, or 2x minus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. So these two, we can write any of this form. Both are equations of the line AC. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.